Secret number 3. Mind loves F dash dash. Let me invite you for a movie. We have two choices here. The first one is a boring documentary, a lengthy movie. The second one is a comedy one, hilarious one. Now I give you this choice. Which one you want to come along? Yes, the comedy one, isn't it? So here's the secret, very simple and it's a mind-blowing secret that mind loves F-U-N. Yes, mind loves fun. Study was done by a famous American university, and they found out that people do not learn in stressful environment. Many of us are put in so much of stress, and the conditions are like so dreadful, and we are forced to study. And our mind doesn't learn. Mind loves fun. We want to be in an environment which is casual, which is fun, which is hilarious. I want to give you an example. How many of you want to watch Tom and Jerry again? As kids we watched it, and as grown-ups we would love, and as children definitely Tom and Jerry is our favorite. But if I ask you to watch some boring documentary, no, not at all. Mind loves fun. You can use all the secrets. Mind loves pictures, mind loves colors, and mind loves fun. By using all these three things, you can make studies fun and easy. Continue to keep watching our videos, and you'll find out how we can use these three secrets and change the way we study, revolutionize the way we study, and enjoy them, bring life into it. Are you ready? Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel, and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website www.superbhumans.com. Thank you so much.